Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I would like to start the first unit of Pathophysiology, that is basic principles of cell injury and adaptation. So here we are starting with the definition of the pathophysiology. So it is the study of logos of disease, means logos means sufferings of the disease, means it gives us a complete description of any disease. ये हमें क्या बताता है कि जो कोई भी डिजीज़ जो हमारी बॉडी में हो रही है वो कैसे हो रही है, वो कैसे प्रोग्रेस करती है, इन सब के बारे में उसका कंप्लीट जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो हमें क्या देती है, पैथोफिजियोलॉजी. It is the study of physiological process or mechanism responsible for the disturbance in the normal function of the organ. Means it gives us the complete description that why there is any disturbance in the mechanism of the body in the normal functioning of the organ as a result, because when there is the abnormal functioning there will be the disease in our body or the syndromes or any other conditions. Next, we are proceeding with the definitions which are important in the pathophysiology. That is, first one is the patient. Patients refer to the individual which is affected by the disease or the abnormalities. It refers to the person who is affected by the disease. Next one is the lesions, characteristics and the alterations, means the changes which occurs within the cells and tissues as a result of the disease. Means that when we are ill there are lot of the changes which take place in our body, and these changes are termed as the lesions. Next one is the pathological changes. It refers to the changes that develop as a result of disease, a result that can be studied by the examining of the morphology. Morphology means structural changes of the disease, means the when it refers to the structural changes which take place in our body as a result of the disease. Next one is the etiology. Etiology refers to the study of the factors which causes the disease. It refers to the factors which are responsible for a disease like the diet, environment and other genetic factors. Infectious organism or injury to the cell can also occur, means when we get injured or any there is any infectious organism which attack on our body, these are also responsible for the any disease. Next one is the idiopathic disease. This refers to the disease which are the it refers to disease for which the cause remains unknown. मीन्स ये क्या होता है कि हमें जो ये वाले डिजीज़ हैं हमें इनका कोज पता नहीं होता कि क्यों हो रही हैं. द cause remains the unknown. Next one is the hydrogenic disease. The disease arise as a direct consequence of medical treatment provided. मीन्स क्या होता है कि जब हम किसी चीज़ का मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं तो उसका कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट होएगा और उसकी वजह से हमें क्या आएगा, हाइड्रोजेनिक डिजीज़ हो जाएंगे अपनी बॉडी के अंदर. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द पैथोजेनेसिस. इट रेफर्स टू द स्टडी ऑफ द प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ द डिजीज मैकेनिज्म एंड इट्स एस्टेब्लिश थ्रू दस डेवलपमेंट. पैथोजेनेसिस क्या होती है कि हमारी बॉडी में जो डिज़ीज़ है वो कैसे डेवलपमेंट कर लेगी, यानी कि जो पहले फर्स्ट स्टेज था उसके बाद वो सेकंड स्टेज पे आ गई, उसके बाद थर्ड स्टेज पे, यानी कि वो कैसे डेवलप हो रही है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, उसको हम कहते हैं पैथोजेनेसिस. नेक्स्ट इज Next is there the clinical manifestation. It refers to the evident that represent the changes in the functioning of human body as a result of disease process. It includes, it means that the evidence which are provided by the clinical clinics for the disease. Next one is the symptoms. What refers to the symptoms? Symptoms are the functions, consequences of the underlying disease caused by the functions. मीन्स जैसे कि हमें कोई भी डिजीज़ हो रही है अगर हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, तो हमें उसके चेंजेस हमारी बॉडी में दिखते हैं और उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सिम्टम्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द साइंस ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द क्लिनिक और अदर इंडिविजुअल. मीन्स अगर हमें कोई भी डिजीज़ हो रही है तो लाइक देर इज़ द टेम्परेचर चेंज, या फिर आई कलर चेंज हो जाता है, या हम वी विल फील वेरी वीक, बॉडी का येलो हो जाना, लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द एपिडर्मोलॉजी. to study the disease pattern within a population. It means that जो कौन से एज ग्रुप में कैसे कैसे करेक्टरिस्टिक शो हो रहे हैं उसको हम कहते हैं एपिडर्मोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट वन इज द हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी मीन्स द माइक्रोस्कोपिक स्टडी ऑफ द एनी abnormalities of the tissues. Next one is the hematology means the study of the disease which are related to the blood. He means the blood. Next one is the chemical pathology. It means the analysis of the biochemistry consequence of the blood, urine, etc. Next one is the study of the immune system and the term is immunology. Next one is the immunopathology means the detection of the abnormalities in the immune system. Next one is the experimental pathology means the determination of any disease किसी भी disease का पता लगाना with the help of the experiment. Next is the geographic pathology, the study of the differences in the distribution of the frequency and the type of disease within the population. Next is the medical genetics, the branch of the human genetics deal with the relationship between disease and inheritance means it tells us about any disease which is inherited up from our parents means क्या होता है कि हमें कई डिजीज़ हमारी बॉडी के अंदर वो होती हैं जो क्या होती हैं इनहेरिटेड होती हैं जो कि हमारे पेरेंट्स पे से हम चिल्ड्रंस पे ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती हैं उनको बोलते हैं हम इनहेरिटेड डिजीज़. Next one is the molecular pathology means the detection of the abnormalities at the level of the cellular DNA. यानी कि जो कई डिजीज़ होती हैं वो हमारे डीएनए के अंदर प्रेजेंट होती हैं और वो आगे हमारे जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं उनके अंदर ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती हैं. So here we are ending with the first unit of first lecture of the pathophysiology unit 1. Next we will upload them further more lectures. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy it.